Question 2, second part. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Now in this question, let the number of days taken by a woman is equal to x. Let the number of days taken by a man is equal to y. Therefore, work done by one woman in 1 day is equal to 1 by x, and work done by one man in 1 day is equal to 1 by y. Now case 1 is 2 women and 5 women can together finish the embroidery work in 4 days. Now according to question, work done by 2 women, let the work done number of days taken by woman is x, so work done by one woman is 1 day is 1 by x, so work done by 2 women is equal to 2 by x. Work done by question is 2 women and 5 men is equal to 5 by y. Now 1 day work of both men and women, they complete the work in 4 days, so 1 by 4. So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4, that is 8 by x, no, sorry, this is our first equation. Now case 2, work done by, in case 2 is while 3 women and 6 men, means work done by 3 women is equal to 3 by x, work done by 6 men is equal to 6 by y. Now they complete the work in 3 days. 1 day work of both men and women is equal to 1 by 3. Now next equation is 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is our second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations. Put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now first equation become 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4, that is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. This is third equation. And when we put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b in second equation, the next equation becomes 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3, that is 9a plus 6b or 18b is equal to 1. Now you can solve this equation by any method, elimination method, cross multiplication method or substitution method. Now two equations is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Third equation is this, and 9a plus 18b, you can write minus 1 is equal to 0. 18b minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I am using cross multiplication method. Put a hand on a. 20 minus 20 plus 18. b, put a hand on b. Minus 9 plus 8 is equal to constant term 1, that is 18 into 8 is 144, minus 20 into 9 is 180. Now a upon minus 2 is equal to b upon minus 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 36. Compare these two. A is equal to 1 by 18, b is equal to 1 by 36. Now you have to 1 by x, a is 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18, implies x is equal to 18, and 1 by y is equal to 36, 1 by 36, which implies y is equal to 36. Now example number third part.